All right, good morning, guys.
Day 2 of siding.
The 1 day project, day 2.
Nothing's a 1 day project.
All right, Jen just got back up from a morning hunt.
No luck.
No deers.
Try tonight.
Yep. So we got 4 or 5 hours to try to wrap up as much siding as we can. Go right to the bottom.
Of the...
Here, flip it over. Go to the bottom of the plywood.
Yeah, I can feel it right here.
Okay. Go.
Woohoo!
Huge accomplishment.
Look at that, the whole cabin.
Looks good.
Fancy.
Fancy. Look at that, guys. What are you smiling about?
Because it's time.
It's time.
Mm-hmm.
Jen's gonna do the honors, guys. Ready?
Oh, look at that, guys. You know how happy that makes me? Looks good.
Let it dry out, and then we'll, tack it down or whatever, but it's pretty darn good. Ta-da! Look at that. The sun's in a better spot now. You can see everything.
Glory, glory, hallelujah.
There you go, guys. There is the cabin, completely sided, other than like finishing touches and soffit stuff.
All the way done. Looks like a completed cabin now.
Yeah. It only took 2.5 years. 2 years for the siding, but 2.5 years for everything. So, we did good, guys. I think. Sorry you had to look at that Lowe's Tyvek or house wrap forever, but we are happy to be wrapped up for the winter, pretty much. Did we get a happy dance?
I already did it.
No, you didn't. I didn't see it.
No, too bad.
There you go. Happy dance.
I already did it.
Happy dance.
I already did it.
Happy
I can't
dance.
Do it if you want.
Get up on there.
No, I did it again too.
No, get up there.
Oh, you're such
Everybody chant her on. Put happy dance in the comment box. Happy dance. Happy dance. That is exactly how you did it. Happy dance. Yay.
Look at that. So pretty.
Heard you want to leave this place where we grew up. This old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. You miss the ones you know. I'll be here, hanging on, waiting for your call. Seems like time as a wave passing by, leave a mark in our marks to turn to memories. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're gone.
Oh, I thought it was a monster.
Hey, I was hoping you would stay, but I've always known you would go find your own way. I still see when we climbed up in those trees, 12 years old, to feel the wind and watch the river run. And the sun would always shine when we sat there, you and I. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. It's gonna cry, it's gonna cry. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. It's gonna cry, it's gonna cry. Hey, I heard you want to leave this place where we grew up. This old town, just leave it all behind. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
Well, exciting stuff, guys. Thank you very much for hanging out with us this week. We had a really busy but productive week. Cutting the trees down, getting it turned into mill, or milling it all into siding, dragging it all to the mill, and getting it up here and putting it on. So I would say that's a good week, right?
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, guys, for all your support.
Make sure you like, comment if you want to, and subscribe if you're new. All of that helps the analytics.
Thank you to all our members. We always forget to thank you guys, but we have about 20 of you guys are members, and you've joined us, and you help support the channel in an extra additional way. We appreciate you for that, too. So,
Yes, thank you, thank
so
you.
thanks, everybody.
Thanks so much, guys.
See you in the next one. Best wishes.
I heard you want to leave this place where we grew up. This old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.